Hello, I am Harish Kanapur and you are watching On Point. In this video, we are going to model the cup of the screw jack. Start, mechanical design, part 1. Okay. Before getting started, I have given the link below of the draft copy. Please do download that. It is a full textbook of your CAMD. Let's go to position sketch. Select plane. Okay. Profile. Let's procedure is same. Let's draw the profile similar to the draft copy, which is in the draft copy. It should look like that. There are many other ways to create the models, but still it is the easiest for me, at least. You can search on YouTube, you may get many other things. So it's looking like draft copy. Let's constrain it. Don't get bored, I'm repeating the same thing again and again. Use the dimensions given in the draft copy to constrain the model. It will be easy for you, and also systematically give the values. You may follow any procedure you want, but at the end you should get the model correct, or you should prepare the model right. So it is showing under constraint, and here I can see the orange point where it is under constraint. So we can join that line, but let me delete two line. Let's join that. Okay, let's constrain again once again. Okay. Oh sorry, we have forgotten to give edit multi constraint. So let's edit. It is ISO constraint, so let me give it axis so that we can rotate. Shaft, rotate it, make sure that it is 360 degree. So we are done with it. So some other, we have to make holes here, hemisphere holes. Here it is showing diameter. Please do see in the draft copy what dimensions they have given. They have given radius or diameter. It is important, otherwise your model will be wrong. So let's constrain that, geometrically constrain that. Oh, it's moving upward, and so I have to constrain like in this way. So this is the method. Try to move the profile, you will know where exactly where you have to constrain. So mirror extent, so that let's do it again, same procedure, no, nothing different. It is time, let's take, otherwise you can do that also. If they are given radius 5 mm, you can take diameter as 10 mm, that's left to you. Let's save this. Cup.